Welcome back, students, to a poem, The Call Within by James Patrick Kinney, an American poet. In this poem, he says that 6 human beings has been trapped by chance in a place where there is bitter cold, and all of them possess a stick, and there was dying fire also. But nobody is ready to renounce their stick and kindle the fire. They have their own domestic reasons in order not to kindle the fire. And because of the lack of feelings, at last everyone faces their death. Then this is the poem, and let us start now. 6 humans trapped by happenstance in bleak and bitter cold. Each one possesses a stick of wood, or so the story is told. See, here the poem opens on a dramatic note, and the poet says that 6 humans get trapped by chance in a very bitter cold. He uses human and not people, so as to refer to all human beings. Though the 6 persons were together in a situation which seems to have been arranged, even though it was accidental. That is why the poet has used the word happenstance. The 6 persons were thus in a situation from which there was no escape. They were sitting near the fire which was fast dying. Each of them had a stick of wood. This is how it is told in the story. We later realize that the stick in each hand is the symbol of sin. Second stanza, they are dying fire in need of logs, but the first one held hers back, for of the faces round the fire she noticed one was black. The fire which was dying needed to be fed with logs of wood. The first of the group was the woman who was not ready to renounce her stick of wood to keep the fire burning, because she had noticed that one of them was a black. She did not want to save the black. Thus, she acted out of her racial prejudice. Next stanza, the next man looking across the way saw one note of his church and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch. The next one found in the group was a person not belonging to his religion. He could not persuade himself to give up his stick of wood to help a person of another religion. He suffered from religious intolerance. The first person from racial intolerance, the second person suffers the religious intolerance. Next stanza, the third one sat in tattered clothes. Tattered means rags, R-A-G-S. He gave his coat a hitch. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? The third man was very poor. He was in tattered clothes. He was full of bitterness and envy for the rich. He gave his coat a hitch, which is suggestive of his tightness. He thought it would be unjust to give what little he had to help others who had more than he. So he held his stick back. See, gave his coat. Look at the phrase, gave his coat a hitch. Means tightened his coat. And it shows the symbol, it is a symbolic of his meanness. Next stanza, the rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store. Had in store means accumulated. And how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. Shiftless without ambition. The rich man continued to sit back and think of the money he had and how he could save it from the lazy poor. He did not want to give anything to the undeserving poor. Thus, he showed his greed and stinginess. The black man's face bespoke revenge. Bespoke means showed. As the fire passed from his side, for all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the wise. Spite means hatred. And the last man in the group, the black man's face showed how much revengeful he was. As the fire was dying, he thought he had the chance to hurt the white people by keeping his stick with him. He clearly suffered from the vice of spite. The last man of this forlorn group, forlorn means lonely, did not accept for gain. Not means nothing. Giving only to those who gave was how he played the game. The last man in the group lacked generosity. As no one else had given his stick, he would also keep his stick with him. In fact, he did nothing except for gain. Their locks held tight in death's still hands was proof of human sin. They did not die from the cold without, they died from the cold within. As the fire extinguished, all the persons died. They died not because of the cold outside, but because of the cold within. They died because they were too selfish to help others. Each of them had a log still in his or her hand, suggesting that no one had renounced sinning, being unkind for one reason or the other. See, the phrase cold without means the cold of outdoors. Cold within means lack of human feelings like generosity, selflessness, kindness, etc. See, from this we can understand, because of the lack of human feelings, because of their selfishness, because of the lack of generosity and kindness, all the 6 persons came to their end. If they have proper if they have proper feelings within, everybody will escape. Instead of that, they have their own domestic feelings, domestic selfishness, and 6 persons met their death. Thank you, children.